up like a stupid hen, chilling with my best friends till the end. I know I'm going to party tonight, 'cause it's always a good time. Getting ready for an interview with the best girl that I've always knew. And I know that I'm going to party tonight. Why? 'Cause it's always a good time.
Good morning and good night. I wake up at twilight.
It's gonna be alright. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time. I'm Isaac, and welcome to the All About Me. It's only for.
Hi, good looking. My name's Francine.
Oh crap. Okay, back to me. So anyway, oh man. Whoops, my bad.
Great. Breezy's gonna kill us. Now what are we going to do?
We could tell stories.
Ooh, I love stories.
Remember that time Byron tried to express his feelings to you, but then he ended up farting in your face? Not that story. It's funny.